Germany, and we are the Fanplastic 5. We are tackling the problem of plastic and food waste in Indonesia with bioplastic. Here's a video explaining how it works.
Food waste is stored into specific bins, then transported to the outskirts, going into a processing station. Food is separated into 3 sludges. In these sludges, bacteria multiply quickly and the nutrients composition is changed to synthesize PHA when the bacterial population reaches a high level. PHA bioplastic is formed. PHA can be molded into multiple products. After usage, they are thrown into specific bins and sent to a composing unit with special conditions to help PHA decompose faster. Then, methane is produced. Methane gas produced is transported using a series of pipes and used to power the station.
We had an insightful experience participating in NXplorers, expanding our thought processes and gaining new STEM knowledge. We hope you'll support us and NXplorers. Thank you!